Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you on how to delete your activity in Chrome on your PC. Clearing your browsing history can help maintain your privacy and free up storage space. Let's get started with the steps. Step 1. Open Chrome on your PC by clicking on its icon on the taskbar or desktop. Step 2. At the top right corner of the Chrome window, click on the More button. It looks like 3 vertical dots. Step 3. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 4. In the Settings page, click on Sync and Google Services. Step 5. Click on Control how your browsing history is used. Step 6. Next, click on View All to see your browsing history. Step 7. Scroll down to the bottom and click on Delete. Step 8. Select All Time to delete your entire browsing history. Step 9. Click on Next to proceed. Step 10. Finally, click on Delete to confirm the deletion of your browsing history. By following these 10 simple steps, you can easily delete your activity in Chrome on your PC and maintain your privacy. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related tutorials and tips.